Today I'm showing you 3 mixed media paintings. You'll see that the composition itself is kind of similar for all 3, but I focused on different medium combinations and see how they played together. For the first painting, I started with a watercolor base. So let me show you the process and then I'll come back to you and I'll talk about the other 2. Cue artsy inspirational montage. The second painting was done mainly with acrylic paint, again with a giant orb in the sky, and I used different techniques. Like for the mountain I used a palette knife. I also included a little bit of that oil stick I used in a previous painting a couple of videos ago, which gives kind of like a charcoal or oil pastel kind of feel. The main difference for this one is that I included a soft dry pastel, the regular powdery one. It's the pink twister that you see in the composition. I've never really explored dry pastel that much, but I think it works well with acrylic, so it's something to keep in mind. And I also did a contour line using graphite. I really love the organic feel and the effect of graphite in pretty much all mediums. For the third painting, I also had an acrylic base, but I introduced some oil pastel. I like the composition itself, but I'm not satisfied with the final result. I think where I went wrong was, especially in the bottom, all that texture. There's a lot going on in the river texture-wise and color-wise, as well as the dark green foliage on each side. I don't know, there's something about it that's bothering me that I don't like. So my plan is to rework that painting right now. It might make it better. It might make it worse. We don't know. Wish me luck. success. I feel like I really brought this painting back now. I'm really happy with it. I had a big problem with the foliage on each side. The dark green wasn't doing it for me. The way I did the texture, I didn't like it at first, but adding that yellow made a world of difference. I really love it. As far as the river goes, I'm satisfied. I think I could probably push it more, but then I risk maybe giving it a different feel. I was thinking going darker for the water, but then it might make everything a bit more somber, whereas now there's like a light and bright kind of feeling coming through, which I really love. I'm gonna keep it as is. I'm so happy. I didn't think I could bring it back, but I did, and it feels really good. Let me know if you agree with me. Let me know which one is your favorite. And if you want more inspiration, you can watch this one next.